172. We went from Jamaica, basically went from Jamaica to here off of 2 loads. All right, so what a phone.
Skeezy on the beat,
Come on, baby. This also has one of those things where you can attach to another room. You could be living your life out here.
Skeezy on the beat,
Last night and then didn't want to admit it until we got all the way to the end of the hallway.
That's not true. We definitely admitted it. What's your name, Judd?
The only thing about this hotel is the scents are strong. Look, there you go right there. Scent air. Strong.
I think I just walked into a bowl
They
of
just
debris.
walking. That girl does not know how to leave the freaking AC alone.
I literally turned it one notch to the right, which is heat because it's cold. He's like, no, just put it in the middle. So he turns it 3 notches to the left. Like,
What? Hold on, guys. Hold on,
What?
guys. Hold on, guys.
What she failed to tell you was 5 minutes prior to that, she had already touched the notch.
And
So she done touched the notch about 5 times since we've been in the car. I'm like, bro, you can't find a happy medium. Just turn it right in the middle.
but if
Turn
I
it all the way
cold
down. You feel
and
me?
just turned it
Or
to
take
the
your
right,
vest and your jacket off.
I'm cold, shithead. What do you mean? It made no damn sense.
You feel me?
I said I'm cold, so you
Oh, let me-
turn
let me-
it 3 notches back to the left.
Skeezy on the beat.
Yo, if you see us today, just know he is well aware, as I've told him at least twice, that there's a huge hole in his pants. Why he's still walking around with them? I don't know. I don't know.
Come out with something special. My first time trying wrap snacks. Little baby, barbecuing with my honey heat.
You gotta be careful. You got a white shirt on.
I'm gonna be careful.
Okay.
I am fresh though.
With that hole in his pants.
Try one.
Are they good?
Wrap snacks.
Skeezy drop the beat.
Okay.
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 Those are pretty good. I told you.
They got that code. I'm rating. Touching my homes. What they say? What they say? Another day, another hotel breakfast. Hopefully, don't make my stomach add up. We are in Gainesville, Florida, getting ready to drop off 2 loads. Let's see what the apple's looking like today. Good old apples. Waffles. Try this apple juice and tell me how it tastes. Just try it. Disgusting.
It smells like bleach.
Just so y'all know, I want to trip in. So y'all ready to see this parcel? Let me show y'all this parcel. Today, this Monday, Mondays are a rough Monday. Mondays are rough for us. Mondays are rough for us. She almost knocked the whole side of the motherfucking truck off
I almost tapped it.
against the damn U-Haul over there. She lying. She said she tapped it all she wanted to. She almost took the whole...
I almost tapped it. It's fine. It's fine.
See, when she do something, it's different than if I did something. You see how women... You see how women do? They just admit that they did it, but it's not as dramatic as me scraping the side of this. This is what I scraped. She was about to tear the whole side off of a truck. A whole side. If she would have hit that truck, both of our trucks would have been messed up. All I do was scrape this.
I stopped and I said,
She stopped, looked at me. She stopped, looked at me, and I was like, oh my God.
mind you, he also scraped that while I was trying to tell him.
Just take
what to
the
do.
phone. Just take my phone, let me drive. Just take my phone, let me drive.
So
I whip, you know how I do. You see. Skirt.
I shouldn't have been left unattended, okay?
Didn't hit nothing. Thanks to me.
Yes, you did.
I didn't hit nothing.
You hung.
I'm talking about that big ass
That's
truck.
still hitting something.
We talking about, she talking about this. I'm talking about that back there.
I had nobody.
About how she about to tore the whole side off with somebody U-Haul.
And I almost.
But anyways, we're in Florida. Trying to get the hell out of Florida. And y'all just taking all the loads. Y'all just taking all these loads for nothing, bro. For nothing. For nothing. From Ocala, Florida to Texas was $122. No. Was $1.22. I was like,
For a full load. That wasn't even a partial.
for a full load.
That was 11 non-stackable pallets.
How am I supposed to live off of that? Gas is $5. I mean, diesel is $5. Y'all tripping. I think we might have to do our first Amazon load. I'm not sure yet, but we might have to do our first Amazon load.
My last day is tomorrow.
So this is the setup. It's hot, and I got sweatpants on again. But yeah, back into this little ramp thing right here, and you already know how I drive. Clean.
I guided.
I didn't
not
even
left
look at you.
unattended.
I didn't look at you.
Uh-huh.
I didn't even look at her.
Mm-hmm.